So I found out Bitcoin was way back in 2013, 2014-ish.
So you found it later than me.
Yeah, a little bit later than you, but
my story is interesting.
Yeah. So I found out from Paul, which is one of our brothers from church. So I used to wholesale cell phone cases, and I went to his store. His partner Jimmy told me, "Hey, you know this thing called Bitcoin?" I said, What's that?" He said, "Oh, it's a money." What? I said, "What kind of money?" It's like internet money. I said, "What? Why you need internet money?" He says it's something decentralized, and it's fun to have it. You can spend it, you know. He said, "Why don't you?" He asked me, "Why don't you buy some?" And then I said, "Why don't you buy it?" It's like, and then we just talk about it. Nobody bought anything.
But how much was it for you? Do you remember?
Yeah, it was like $20 or something a coin.
So you definitely found it later.
Yeah, it was like freaking 20 something dollars a coin. Yeah, but if we were bought like a $500, that's like at least
now.
Yeah, lots of money. Millionaires, diamond. Wow.
Well, for me, I actually found it out in 2011, actually, and I was actually during middle school. So it was during the phase of like MapleStory and Nexon. So everybody would go like at a young age, you know, everybody would go to the local like pharmacy store, Rite Aid, CVS, and they'll have Nexon like gift cards for MapleStory.
Yep.
And my friends and I were from church as well. We went to the pharmacy and we saw Bitcoin. Right. And before, we didn't really know what Bitcoin was. We just knew that it was actually internet money, but like you could purchase it for like Nexon, like cash or whatever, points too as well. But like, we were like, why do we even need, you know, Bitcoin when you can just purchase Nexon cash? Like, it doesn't make sense. And during that time, for you, it was $20 for like one Bitcoin.
21, I think.
Right.
It was about
for me, it was like $1 to 50 cents.
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
That was
way
back.
And it wasn't a gift card, like gift card purchase for Bitcoin.